Today we got a video from Police on Scene, and the title of the video is Bullying Multiple Delta Airlines Employees Goes Very Wrong.
How could one man take over the entire gate at Delta Airlines? Could it be entitlement or perhaps something much more concerning? On April 30th, 2024, the Atlanta Police Department was called to the scene at the airport for reports of that passenger.
3703 radio, I'm 26. Excuse me.
There's a camera here, right?
Okay. Okay. Got it. What's the situation with his ticket?
And he harassed the flight attendant on board that flight as well.
Okay. What's the situation?
He doesn't know where he's
He came over here to complain about a different desk. He said, can you help me because, someone else was rude to me. And she said, give me a minute. I'm in the middle of boarding. And then she said, do you have, your boarding pass and stuff? He said, no, my phone's dead. And then she told him to go to customer service. He said, and then he tried to get a picture of her. So she pushed on his phone very gently, just to get it out of her face. And now he's like, she tried to break my phone.
Okay.
So the flight attendant on that one, he was freely harassing her. He tried to harass one of my passengers over there in the wheelchair.
Listen,
along with
I
the
want to know my connected flight. She's very rude.
Sir.
What?
Look, don't want me. Step back over there. Let me talk to her. I'll come to you in a second.
Yeah, sure.
Get them together, man. Yeah, gotta treat these guys like child sometimes, man. Don't what me? What you think this? Yeah.
Good.
He harassed the wheelchair passenger alongside another passenger. He came over there, harassed my agent and myself. And he came over here, harassed her, put the phone in her face, so the point that she had to slap the phone down. That he'd been harassing her, everybody nonstop.
Okay.
So I want him out.
I got you. Sir,
Don't talk to me like this.
what's nonsense is you won't give us a chance. Let me speak to her, and I'll come and speak to you. You know what?
Okay.
You know what? You stay here. I'll move away. All right? Appreciate it. All right, come on. What's the situation with his ticket? Do you want it? Is it being
I'm
refunded?
calling him right now. Give me less than 5 seconds,
Yeah,
because he's
let me-
going to be refunded.
Yeah, so I know what to tell him as he's escorted out.
Hey, Ron, how are you, dear? I'm good, love. I have a confirmation.
I want to get my flight.
Thank you.
Okay, while she's taking care of that phone call, what happened, sir?
She's very rude.
Uh-huh.
She said to me, I can't get any on a flight and stuff like that. So I want to get on a flight. I want to what time I can get on a flight.
Okay,
So,
okay. How much have you had to drink, sir?
2 drinks.
2 drinks? What were they?
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, no, it does. It does. This is why I'm here. If it didn't matter, I wouldn't be here.
I want to get my flight.
You had 2 drinks. What
She's
drinks?
rude.
Ma'am, excuse
She's
me.
rude.
Sir,
She's rude.
sir.
She's rude.
Is this how we're gonna do it?
Yes.
Okay, all right, lovely. Right now, sir, hold on.
problem.
Hold on. Where you going?
Yes, correct. I want to get my flight.
Okay, you're not getting.
She's rude.
Can I speak? Okay. You're not getting on this flight right now.
I'm not getting on this
Okay.
flight. I want to get one.
Can I finish speaking?
Yeah.
You're not getting on this flight right now. You're going to be asked to exit this secured section of the airport. Okay? I have a vehicle outside waiting for you because it's
For what
raining.
reason? I'm not getting on this flight.
Sir, I'm still talking.
I'm not getting on this flight. I want to talk to the manager. This is ridiculous. I want to get on the flight. She's
How about
rude.
your
She's
behavior is
rude.
ridiculous?
What's my behavior?
I'm
What's
here.
my behavior?
You're just going to continue cutting me off. every
No,
time I
what's
say-
my behavior?
Don't say no, you're still doing it. You say no as you're doing it.
I want to get my flight. I want to get my next flight.
All right, sir, it's not happening.
It wouldn't surprise me if this guy was ex-military or something. I like the demeanor of this guy, man. I'm liking what I'm seeing.
Well,
Okay,
I'll talk to the manager.
all right. Let me know when I can speak. Are you finished?
Yeah, I'm finished.
You sure? Okay. It's not happening right now due to your behavior. Can I finish?
What's my behavior?
You're intoxicated.
I'm not intoxicated. I want to get not on this flight. I want to get a different flight. I want
Due
to get...
to your behavior and how you treated these individuals, it's not happening today.
What about how they treat me?
It's not happening today.
Oh, like,
okay?
You know what? I have a video. How they treat
hold
me.
on to your video. Exactly. You hold on to that. But due to your
I want to
behavior,
get on my flight, and they won't take me on our flight.
this is why we should watch how much we consume. Ladies and gentlemen, for reasons just like this. They're working on it.
So his ticket has been refunded
Okay.
and suspended, so he won't be flying on Delta.
Ever again. Beautiful. All right. What's his name? Do you have what's his name?
This flight, I want to go.
Okay, you have to leave this.
I'm not
You
gonna.
have to leave this. Hold on, sir.
I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna.
Sir, you're not gonna tell me how this works.
I want to talk to your manager, whatever.
No.
So I want to get on my flight. My flight is not here.
Mr. Cash, at this point, you cannot get on this flight or any.
I'm not getting on this flight.
Right,
You try. You try. You try.
When did they rebook him?
There's no rebooking.
Okay.
He's banned from Delta.
I'm not supposed.
Right, you're not
try,
able.
you
So you're
try,
gonna.
you try.
When did they rebook him for?
There's no rebooking.
Okay, so
He's
we've
banned
got to
from
take.
I'm not supposed to Salt Lake Place C.
Okay, come on.
banned from Delta.
Take him
He's
out.
gotta
Okay,
leave.
let's
Okay,
go.
okay,
Where'd you
sure.
park at?
I'm outside.
I'm not gonna park. I wanna see.
No. At this point, we've got to take you out of a secure area. Okay? You're not detained.
I want to go to the manager.
No,
I'm not going on this flight.
Let's go. Let's go.
I'm not
Out.
going on this flight.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Yeah.
I'm not going on this flight.
That's what we're saying. You're not going on the flight. But we've got to take you out of a secure area because Delta's not letting you fly at all.
Why is that?
I have no idea. I'm just coming on the scene. I think Campbell had tried to explain to you. Excuse us. Excuse us. Go to the left. Thank you. All right, go ahead. Just take your time going down those steps. Can you?
No, I wanted to go to the manager and see if I can get on
Well,
a
what's
flight.
taking you? You can go and rebook a flight.
I'm not going to rebook the flight. I'm going to go to a flight.
No,
flight
no,
doesn't
no.
work that much. I'm not going to this flight here.
No, let's go. Go.
Okay. Listen, I'm going here. I'm going to go to my flight connected flight. So you're not.
Drunk people, man. Why drink at the airport? I don't get it. I really do not get it. I don't understand why people get so intoxicated at the airport. Like, why? All you will be doing is getting up and down all flight because you're going to have to piss and this and that. Like, why? Get to your destination. Then the party begins. Because if you do it beforehand, alcohol could alter your state of mind and you start. Now, this guy, we don't know how he acts when he's normal, right? We don't know how he acts when he's not under the influence. But we see how he acts when he is. Like this, unreasonable, loud, obnoxious, thinks he's right. I don't know, but I doubt he acts like that when he's sober. Maybe little tendencies, but not like this. The airport is the wrong place for you to be getting lit at. 2 drinks, 3 drinks, 4 drinks. It's not the place. It's not the place.
Take me here. For what reason?
First of all, your flight has been canceled. Delta is not allowing you to fly with them.
Why
You
is
no
that?
longer have a boarding pass, probably because you're intoxicated.
I'm not intoxicated. All right.
You open the door. Come and get in. Get in. And we're taking you out of a secure area. Get in the car or you're going to be arrested. Let's go.
Arrested for what?
Sir, let's go. Get in the car. In the car.
Arrested for what?
In the car.
Arrested for what?
Because you're not listening. Obstruction.
Disorderly conduct under the influence.
Let's go. Get in the car. Get in the car.
We'll give your wife an front. Go in the airport in the front. Find another airline. You can no longer.
Get him. Go ahead and cuff him. Get him.
Hey, woman.
Go ahead and cuff him. I got it. Yeah, get him. That's it. I got him.
Give me your hand. All right.
There we go. Got it. Shoot the radio. Show I'm resisting.
Sir, put your hands behind your back. Oh my God.
Okay, hold on. I got it.
Oh my God.
I got it.
Sir, this doesn't have to be this way. Put your hand behind your back. Okay? Oh my God.
Hold on.
Man, I'm fighting on the runway.
I don't do anything. Sir,
Okay, I got it. I got it.
I have to move my...
Go ahead. Pull that
That's
up.
crazy.
She wants something to put cuffs on.
I'm tasing.
Listen, I don't do anything.
Just go ahead and get the cuffs on. You got it.
Put your
Put
hands
the
behind.
cuffs on. Put on the cuffs. Come on.
I can't believe it.
You had it. Just put the cuff on. Hold his arm.
Okay, no problem.
Put it on.
No problem.
Put the cuff on.
What did I do? I didn't do anything.
Grant, Campbell, just put the cuffs on.
I didn't do
Bro, she keeps saying put the cuff on, but she ain't even doing nothing. Like, what's up with you? Like, come on, lady officer. I'm rocking with you, but you can't be barking order. Look at his other hand. Like, what do you just holding the shoulder? Like, what you got going on?
anything.
The guy officer, he wants to tase him. Let him tase him. Get them together. What? Yeah. Yeah. Get him right.
Okay, now, we got that.
Give me your arm, sir.
I got it.
Oh my God, I can't believe it.
Yep.
Radio, go ahead and show where the cuffs are.
Man, I want to see the tasing action, man.
I can't do it. Stand up.
Let's go.
Who that, Sarge? She must be Sarge.
Oh my God.
She ain't no sergeant.
Don't get in the face. I can't like...
We're coming back for your stuff.
Man.
This is crazy.
Get your feet in.
I got my stuff.
We was this close to some taser action.
There you go. You don't want him? All right.
That's
On your-
crazy.
Throw it in the trunk.
You can't open it unless the car's on.
Oh. Yeah, let me just...
Am I in two lanes? Okay, forget it.
That's nonsense.
You caused it. Let's
I
go.
didn't cause it.
You did.
I wanna...
You did.
No, I didn't.
You did.
I didn't. I want to get my luggage.
You go into jail now.
Jail for what?
He said, I want my luggage. You going to jail.
Okay, I need you to just stand here. 'Cause I've got
Stand here. Stop it.
Stand up.
Stop it.
Stand up. All this unnecessary.
This is unnecessary.
These are mines, by the way, McGrath. So when you come back from the...
This is not yours, case.
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Thank you for watching.
Yeah. This was wild. I ain't gonna lie. Listen, we was this close to some taser action, but she stopped it. This video could have been at least 5 times better, man. If we would have, he like, I'ma tase him. I'ma tase him. She's like, no, just cuff him. Just cuff him. Get the arm. You almost got it. Man, he was ready to get them together. What? Oh, well, it is what it is.